ఛానల్. ఈరోజు మా దగ్గర స్కూల్ హెల్త్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ నడుస్తుంది. మా గ్రూప్ వాళ్ళందరూ ఇప్పుడే కష్టపడుతున్నారు. జస్ట్ చూడండి. ఏ గైస్ సే హాయ్. దిస్ ఇస్ ఫస్ట్ ఎయిడ్ గ్రూప్, మా గ్రూపే. పాపమ్మ వాళ్ళంతా మట్టి చూపిస్తాను మీకు మెయిన్గా. Hey guys, what is your section?
Your section is about anthropometric measurement.
Okay, where is your name board? Anthropometric measurement. Hey guys, your chart is falling. Say about your station, friends. Okay. Okay, this is scale.
Height scale.
Okay, height scale.
This is a weighing machine.
And weighing machine. Where is checking your BMI?
BMI weight.
And this is the vital tray. They are checking vitals for students in school health program.
This is
And they are also checking BMI. Very good. Say hi, friends. And next station is, where is your nameplate, right? Right. And this is nutritional assessment clinic, bro. And hey guys, say hi. Explain about your program. Your committee, Ray. Tell. Say loudly. They are not interested, so we can just move. Balanced diet. And this is food pyramid, guys. One second, I'll show you. This is balanced diet food pyramid. Okay. Hi. This is dental clinic, friends. Station 3. They are explaining about teeth brushing, how to do brushing. Okay. Hey, Sumi, say hi. Explain your procedure.
Now we are explaining brushing techniques. We have to take small amount of toothpaste with brush. మనం కొద్దిగా తీసుకోవాలి brush ని. ఇది మనం this is our teeth next we have to apply the paste on outer surface of the teeth. We have to in circular motion we have to clean our brush. Next step we have to clean up to downwards. We have to clean our teeth. Next step is we have to add our inner teeth also we have to clean inner surface. Next here molars are there na. Here only we are chin too many food. So we have to clean here first. After that we have to clean our tongue. Next we have to take some water and we have to cleanse our teeth. Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you so much.
Bye. This is Muchimokham. This is station 4, skin clinic. Hey guys, say hi. Susmita, why are you looking so dull? Okay. This is skin structure. Not texture, structure. And they are showing 3D model. Akila, say hi. Hand washing techniques, guys. They are explaining. And skin diseases, skin examination tool. They are written. And thank you, guys. This is station number 5, guys. And they are explaining about mental health clinic. They are writing positive affirmation chart and Ottidi Nirvahana. These guys are very crazy, guys. You know this model? Hey, please, baby, side baby. Like that. They are explaining. And stop. Sad. What is mean to sad? They are explaining about emotions, guys. Hey guys, say hi. Pallavi working so hard, guys. You know, she is struggling so many days. Rahela, what's she doing? You know, I think she's doing another work. This is tree, emotions tree. What do you think about yourself? You have to write and stick in this tree. Hi. నీ పేరు అన్విత. వాట్? థ్యాంక్ యూ. This is station. I think station number they are returning, but not 6, guys. Okay. Station number 6. Good habits, guys. Pavani, say hi. Hi. Anishka, emotionless fellow, say hi. Hi. Hey, మీరందరూ hi చెప్పండి రా. Okay. They are explaining about good habits, guys, and timetable, how to wake up. Good habits means good wake up in early time, good lunch, bathing, school going, everything about good things only. And they are explaining personal good touch and bad touch, and traffic rules also they are explaining, guys. This is 3D model of traffic rules, and this is what is this? Traffic signals. Okay. Hey, this is not traffic signal. Traffic signal symbol is this is, and this is good touch and bad touch. They can feel green in good touch. Green means good and yellow means confusion. Red means bad touch. They have to know that signal color coding, guys. The most excited station is section 8, guys. First aid. This is my section only, and in this they are explaining about cramps, guys, and nose bleeding. This is wound cleaning procedure, types of burns, band-aid steps, and first aid kit tools, guys. Most important thing is CPR steps, guys. They are explaining very well, clearly, and Suji is my group member, guys. She is struggling, and Somberi one. This is Somberi batch, guys. Say hi, guys. Bye.